this video, I will be reviewing my recent purchase of the Stop and Go Tubeless repair kit. As you can see, the kit comes with a nice carrying case. It does force everything down into somewhat of a compact package. You can also see that the kit comes with the reamer rasp tool, probe tool, tire plugging device, hex wrench, mushroom plugs, retractable razor knife, as well as the electric pump. The pump does come with multiple connection options, so depending on how your electrical system is set up on your motorcycle, you'll be able to successfully connect the pump to your system. One of the reviews I did notice was comments in regards to poor build quality for the hose connection to the pump from other individuals that had purchased the pump. So that is one of the first things I did test. I did pull on the hose fairly significantly. It seems to be of high quality build, at least with the one that I received. So I am happy with it at this point in time. With the Ducati Multistrada, it does have the trickle charge connector, which does make for an easy connection to this pump. As with any safety device, you should always make sure that you test the device prior to needing to actually use it in an emergency situation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found the video helpful and informative.